The following demonstration will show users how to request a replacement fishing boat license card. From the home screen, click on the Licenses tab and select the Request Replacement License Card submenu option. This opens the Request Replacement License Card window. Click on the drop-down arrow in the card type field and select Boat License. If more than one boat license is held, you will be required to click on the drop-down arrow in the license number field and select the relevant boat license from the available list. If only one boat license is held, then this field will have auto-populated. The Current Card Details tab will be displayed, showing the license number, card number, issue and expiry date. The license details will display any maximum restrictions on the license. If a boat is attached to your license, details of that boat will also be displayed, as well as any conditions or notations applicable to that license. You may click on the hyperlink for the code description, then click on the Request Replacement License Card hyperlink to return to the previous screen. Then click on the drop-down arrow in the Reason for Replacement field and select the reason you require a card replacement from the available list. If your reason is not displayed in this list, please select Other. A box will be displayed where you will need to enter your reason. For example, stolen. Then click on the Request Card button. You will see a warning message indicating that if you proceed, your current FBL card will be cancelled and a new card issued. Click on the Confirm button. A transaction receipt message will be displayed indicating that your transaction has been successfully submitted with a transaction receipt number. A copy of this transaction receipt can be printed by clicking on the Print icon. This printed receipt can be used as an interim authority until your replacement card arrives in the mail. If you do not receive your replacement card within 7 days, please contact Fisheries Business Services. Your replacement card will be posted to your current postal address. To return to the home screen, click on the Home tab. You have just viewed a demonstration on how to request a replacement fishing boat license card. For more video demonstrations on the functions and use of Fisher Direct, visit FishOnline webpage.